Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss about gradient colors in call to action buttons. Gradient colors can make call to action buttons more visually appealing, attention grabbing, engaging and leading to improved user experience and increased conversion. Now let's dive into a simple CSS trick to set gradient color for buttons on your ClickFunnels sales page. First, we will head over to our code editor. Next, we will copy and paste this small custom CSS code into settings custom CSS. Here, this .elButton is the class name that we are using to target all the buttons on the page. Now, if we need to change the background color of a specific button, we will copy this button ID and paste it before the class name. To change the color, we will simply modify these two color code values. That's it. Now save it and check the preview. You will get this small custom CSS code in the video description. While we have focused on ClickFunnels today, it's important to know that this CSS trick can be applied to many other platforms. Whether you are using WordPress, Go High Level or Systemy, the core concept remains the same. The only difference is that the specific CSS selector you will use might be vary based on the platform. But once you have identified the correct CSS selector, the process of applying the gradient color is exactly the same. If you found this video helpful, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.